far as the digital skills showcase is concerned, our core message is building a bold digital future. We need our young people to be involved in building this future. The government is already doing lots of things to enable the environment to be conducive for our young people to build digital solutions. Uganda is a little bit behind, but we are catching up.
I'm called Adok Antoinette Mary. I'm from Gulu. I am a fashion designer. I got the skills of how to market my products online. That is something I thought it wasn't possible. I even never thought it can actually happen. But I understood that I can actually market things online and sell. I can actually create an online shop. And I also gained that knowledge that I can actually offer my services as in fiber, as a freelancer.
You're very welcome, ladies and gentlemen, parents, graduates. It's a delight to have you here today celebrating your achievement. It's been a long journey. Here today we have people graduating from all of Refactory's programs, foundational programs, that's foundations of software development, data science and machine learning, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, cloud computing, blockchain development. All of you are here.
I'm still amazed at what Refactory is able to do. I'm still amazed at what is happening in the spaces of technology and of women empowerment. Today, Refactory, together with UNCDF and MasterCard Foundation and Outbox, has again defied the odds. We've had over 200 people here, women graduating in technical courses. Not technical soft, no, technical courses, coding, programming, data science, AI. And it's amazing, not because they're women, but also because what they do, what Refactory does, is it's not just a curriculum, but the ecosystem behind the curriculum.
Right now in Uganda, but also globally, there are a lot of children with autism that goes undetected. And there's also lack of awareness, especially in Uganda. So what we thought as a group is that our products will be able to resolve the problem of children going unnoticed with ASD. We mainly use Python. It helps us build the code. And then we use the matplots that helped us with the visualization of our data to be able to compare how maybe one feature, for this case, if we are to compare the age of the children or the jaundice, it helps us do the comparison. And those carers, this helped us build our model and to be able to test it and train it as well.
What made this cohort different, yes, is the fact that we have graduated lots more women and persons with disabilities. And for us, this means that the digital economy is accessible to anyone and everyone. And we've been hearing that men are dominating the digital space, but we are now graduating more and more women. And the 10X program has enabled this and continues to do so in the coming year.
Yeah, one of the touching skills that I've really gained is HTML, how to use HTML, and coding. Myself actually have learned how to code using HTML and also word pressing. Actually, word pressing, creating the website, and also, yes, from here I can also do a project. I remember, yeah, we had good facilitators, and also we had interpreters who were bridging the communication gap to us, and I was able to learn. And I couldn't find any challenges because I could also compare from the captions and the interpreter who was taking us through.
our young people have shown that they're able to develop solutions, they're able to contribute to the digital economy of Uganda and the region as well. So the impact is still small, but it is growing.
We came up with an analytics dashboard which visualizes all data of the company. Depending on the department, you're able to log in and sign in and view the data that you're supposed to see. We integrated our project with the Game 9 AI large language model.
It's a lot. It's a lot to learn from the 6 months. One, it's not just about technical skills, but it's also the mentorship. You learn like how you speak to people, how you present yourself.
So it brings the industry experts, it brings the mentors who give time, the organizations to partner, the theory, the practice. And what it's doing for us as women, what it's doing for us as people in tech is it's now churning out industry-ready people. It's churning out people ready to change the world because they have the skill, they have the knowledge, they've got wisdom from people of experience. What they're doing is amazing.
If you are passionate about coding or solving a problem, I suggest Refactory is the number one to start.
Well, after today, for us at Refactory, our success does not actually end when we graduate. That is just a small bit of it, a good bit, but our utmost success is when our graduates are placed in work or they are working and being paid for the value that they are adding in the digital economy or to the digital economy.
We gather here today with great pride and joy to celebrate a remarkable milestone, a new cohort of certified junior software developers who have completed the Refactory Apprenticeship program.
So the data knowledge that I learned from this course and from this cohort is something I'm going to use in my job. I'll be able to make better data decisions, really.
So for me, I urge you, don't give up. Don't throw it away. You have an opportunity here. And I want to remind you that talent is universal, but opportunity is not. The future belongs to those who are willing to build, not just consume. And that's the powerful thing that you've done here today, that you've done by choosing Refactory. You're choosing to build and not wait.
I would like to thank our consortium partners, Outbox, Women in Technology Uganda, UNCDF, in partnership with the MasterCard Foundation. So we are grateful to our partners who have greatly enabled us to execute this and to make it a success.